Hey guys, what we got today for you guys is some side skirts that we made up, okay? We made two different versions of it. ABS side, which is the rough side, which is this side right here. We have it facing up, okay? Now, there's two ways that you could do this. As you can see how it's on my car, it's pretty much flush with the way that my side skirt is already. So what you're gonna wanna do is, you have two ways that you could do this. I have a cup holding this, so don't go crazy, all right? We could push it in further and just screw it up, and it'll just be flush with your side skirt. Or you could bring it out more, and you could actually just screw them up just like this, so you can have that. So you have two versions of the way that you can have it, all right? So I like it so that it's flush with my side skirt. So I'm gonna push it all the way in, and I'm gonna leave it just like that. Chris, show them how it looks from this angle going that way, so they can see it. Obviously, you guys see it's not all the way up. I just have it just for video purposes and just to show you guys how it's gonna look. I didn't screw it all the way up. I have one screw in the back. That's actually my pivot, so that I can actually move it back and forth to the way that I want it. So you want to start back here, screw that up, leave it a little loose so that you can move it back and forth how you want it, and then you can start sending them up. All right? Again, you guys don't want it to how I have it, you can always just pull it out. Or push it all the way in, screw it up, and then you're done. We also have the one that goes onto the bumper too as well. This one is the same way too. Same way as the setup that's like that. Obviously it's the opposite. Screw up over here first, and then you can pull it out and back and forth. As you can see, it's all the way up to here. Follows the contour of your tire. Same thing as that one. I'm gonna show you on the other side how it looks. I just screwed this side up. I just want you guys to see the layout of it. Piece of ABS, obviously. There's all the mounting holes that are right there. Again, you want to start back here, mount it up. Then you're just going to want to move it back and forth to how you desire it. Same thing over here as well. Right? Same thing. Take it, put it, obviously you're going to put it right here. Screw that up. That's your pivot. Move it to however you want. You can have it just like that. Or you can pull it out. However you want. We offer also another version, which is the shiny side of it. Only problem with the shiny side is going to encounter scuffs. We like the shiny side because we like to custom paint them so that they are matched to the vehicle. So this is the reason why we like them like this, scuffed up. It doesn't make a difference because we're going to scuff them up anyway so that it could hold the paint anyway. So we do have it in two different versions. You can get it like this. You could also wrap it. You could wrap it you could wrap it whatever color your car is. You could wrap them black, however you want. So if you're going to wrap them to your vehicle, make sure you tell us which side you want. You're going to want texture side if you just want them just to be as is. If you want them to match your car, you got to tell us, yo, give us the shiny side up because I'm going to wrap them or I'm going to get them painted. All right? It just makes it a lot easier for the painter. He's going to love you if you do it this way. If you show it to him like this, he's going to have a heart attack. He's going to have to sand all this stuff down, prep it really well. It's going to be a pain in the ass for him. So if you guys are going to paint them to match your car, like how we do it, this is the side that we use. All right? This is how it looks. See, it is scuffed up. That's just from the table, the router table. You know, there's nothing that we could do about that. You know, transporting and stuff like that, manufacturer gives it to a scratch. We can't do nothing about it. So what we do is we use it to our advantage. We use it, scuff it up some more, paint them to match our car. Boom, done. That's it, guys. That's it, man. It's hot in here today. Bad one today. But check them out, man. These things look crazy. Come over here, man. Look how it looks from right here. Just this angle. Just this angle alone looks bananas. Get one close up of that, man. Look how that shit looks. That looks crazy. Look at this. Give it to them over here. I'll hold it up over in the middle so they can actually see it. Man, look how this thing looks. Side view is crazy. Imagine this the same color as my car. Woo! They gotta think that it came like this. Should have came like this. It's crazy. We also offer it, guess what? The SS too. SS, we got him. Same thing. Same way that you want them. So get at us. Collaboration with Joe. You guys already know. G8 Only on nothing. That's it, what it is, baby.